Hi, I'm Sara Snow, natural living expert, talking to you about ways that you can pack a healthier lunch this back to school season. One of the things that I think is most important is to make sure your kitchen, your pantry and your refrigerator are stocked with healthy foods. That way you're helping to develop healthy food habits in your kids from day one. A couple foods here in front of me that will help to make that simple. Way Better Snacks. This is a new company. They're actually the first of its kind to incorporate sprouted grains into the old classic chip. The thing that happens with sprouted grains is that the natural outer layer of seeds, beans, and grains are unlocked through the sprouting process, which means that it makes it easier for your body to absorb those nutrients. So it's a better chip, a healthier chip, but delicious flavors like sweet chili, black bean. My daughter actually goes crazy for the black bean flavor, and they're using ingredients like flaxseed, chia seed, quinoa, black beans, broccoli seeds. It's all gluten-free and non-GMO. Now, when it comes to your sandwich, the best thing that you can do is swap that conventional bread for an organic bread. Lots of benefits. You're increasing the nutrients and you're getting away from some of the stuff you want to avoid. This is by Rudy's. This is the Rudy's Organic Honey Sweet Whole Wheat Bread. It's made from ingredients that you can recognize, things like organic honey, whole wheat flour, and molasses. It's packed with protein, fiber, and 20 grams of whole grains. You can say yes to the taste and no to the junk. It's a good way to avoid things like high fructose corn syrup, artificial preservatives, and of course, genetically modified ingredients. Say goodbye to the juice and milk cartons of yesterday. This is where it is today. These are by Horizon Organic. The two most popular flavors, or the two flavors that are in the single serve, are the organic vanilla and the chocolate. They're both packed with 32 milligrams of plant-based DHA omega-3. DHAs have been shown to support healthy brain development, so really, really important in our growing, developing kids. The great things about these is that they are single serve. My daughter can down one in one serving, so there's no waste, and they're also shelf stable, so an easy thing to have stocked in your pantry for those last-minute school lunches and after-school snacks. Finally, breakfast. When it comes to breakfast, you really want to make sure you're setting a proper foundation. Kashi, of course, has great breakfast options across the board. Two of them that are my favorites are the Simply Maize cereal, which has 23 grams of whole grain, and the Cinnamon Harvest with 47 grams of whole grain. And of course, we know that the Whole Grain Council recommends that we get 48 grams per day, so you are well on your way with just one bowl of cereal as you start out your morning. Stock your kitchen with these foods and you will be on your way to a good back-to-school season. I'm Sara Snow. You can look again on my website, sarasnow.com, for more information.